Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I love my clients. I've been doing this for several years on YouTube and love my clients here. And so I just want to talk to you about a new place. This has been open for about 6 to 12 months. I have some clients here. They seem to love it. So I want to talk to you about it. It's called the Remy. These are new, very nice apartments. They're in the Frisco Square area. So it's in Frisco. This is a newer, nice area with a lot of walkability to some stuff. That's fun. And anyway, so we're going to do the best tour ever of the Remy. We're going to go inside. We're going to check out all the amenities. And then we're also going to walk around a little bit outside, talk about the area, why you might want to live here. So consider this as like the tour that replaces your live tour. You really will not need a live tour once you see this. It's going to be so extensive. Now, I know some people have more time than others, so I'm breaking this up into about 12 videos or so. You can skip around to the videos that you want to see, or you can just simply consider it your tour and watch it. It's a lot less time intensive than coming here in person. So anyway, I'm going to do this tour, and it's going to start just about now. If you have any questions at any time, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you want to set up a virtual tour that's personal for you, that's also what I might suggest as well. That's a free service. I'll take care of that as well. Okay, so let's talk about the Remy and location on the next video. Let's go to that right now.